Anytime now. Darrow. Early lead is taken by Speed Bullet on the outside. Moving up is entry number 6. Extreme Connection by the rail, followed by Bad Boy. And on the outside, moving up, Pateros Haven. Heading towards the fourth turn, it's entry number 10, Speed Bullet in the lead. Pateros Haven moving up on the outside. It's now Pateros Haven takes the lead on the outside. Speed Bullet by the rail, sneaking in. Evita moving up is Bad Boy. Amazing Success moving up on the outside, followed by entry number 9, and that's Friendly Fire together with Gray Magic as they pass the last 600 and now going to the final 450. Pateros Haven in the lead by about a length and a half. Speed Bullet is on the outside. Moving up is Bad Boy. Amazing Success. With the last 250 more to run. Pateros Haven by about 2 lengths. Bad Boy is on the outside. Speed Bullet is by the rail. Moving up. Amazing Success. Elgin. With the last 50 meters, it's going to be Pateros Haven. Second, Amazing Success, Bad Boy, and Speed Bullet. Then comes number 8, Gray Magic, Elgin, Evita. Number 6, Extreme Connection, Friendly Fire, and Boogie Shoes again.